Welcome to English Learning YouTube channel. Today, we will learn about phrasal verbs for daily life. Let's start. Before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.
Bring up. To mention a topic. Why did she bring up his past mistakes? Because she was still upset about them. Call off. To cancel something. Did they call off the wedding? Yes, due to family issues. Come across. To find by chance. Have you ever come across a rare book? Yes, I found one at a flea market. Give up. To stop doing something. Did she give up smoking? Yes, a year ago. Look after. To take care of. Who looks after your dog when you're away? My neighbor does. Turn down. To reject something. Why did he turn down the job offer? Because the salary was too low. Break down. To stop working machine car. What happened to your car? It broke down on the highway. Catch up. To reach the same level. How did you catch up with the syllabus? I studied all night. Look into. To investigate. While the police look into the matter. Yes, they already started. Put off. To postpone. Why did they put off the meeting? Due to bad weather. Run into. To meet unexpectedly. Have you ever run into your teacher outside school? Yes, at the supermarket once. Set up. To arrange or establish. Who set up this beautiful party? My sister did it all. Turn up. To appear or arrive. Did he turn up at the event? Yes, but he was late. Get along opening parenthesis with closing parenthesis. Do have a good relationship? Do you get along with your co-workers? Yes, we work well together. Look for. To search for something. What are you looking for? I'm looking for my glasses. Take off. To remove or to fly plane. When does the plane take off? It takes off at AM. Give in. To surrender or yield. Did he give in to the pressure? Yes, finally he did. Hold on. To wait. Can you hold on for a minute? Sure, take your time. Back up. To support or to make a copy. Did you back up your files? Yes, I saved them on a USB. Bring out. To publish or release. When will they bring out the new model? It will be released next week. Break into. To enter forcibly. Did someone break into your house? Yes, last night. Check out. To examine or to leave a hotel. What time should we check out? By noon. Cut down on. To reduce. Are you trying to cut down on sugar? Yes, for health reasons. Drop out of. To quit school or program. Why did he drop out of college? He wanted to start his own business. Fill out. To complete a form. Did you fill out the application? Yes, I submitted it yesterday. Figure out. To understand or solve. Did you figure out the answer? Yes, it took me a while. Go over. To review. Can you go over my essay? Sure, I'll check it now. Keep up opening parenthesis with closing parenthesis. To maintain the same level. Can you keep up with the pace? I'm trying my best. Let down. To disappoint. Did I let you down? No, you did your best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more informative content in future. Thank you.